What is going on, guys? So today we're going to be taking a look at the Wuben E2 EDC flashlight. Now, these were sent to me for review, but the opinions are my own. I do have a bunch of Wuben EDCs, little flashlights like this one here is the X3 with the battery dock, the travel dock. But I'm a big fan of Wuben, but I do like to test out, some of their stuff. And when they reached out, I was like, yes, let's do it. So I'm gonna make this pretty short and sweet and get to the point on these so that way you guys can make your decision on it. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing real quick. I'll put one of those over there to the side. This one is going to be the black version. And inside the box, you get the flashlight, a USB-C charging cable. Now this depends on the bundle that you get. You can choose to purchase just the flashlight itself, or you can choose to add the P5 accessory to that to make it a bundle, and basically just makes it a necklace, and I'll show you that here in a second. You get your key ring and some documentation. All right, so let's go ahead and push those off to the side, and we'll look at the flashlight now. Now, Wuben did send me two of them, and they are in a red and a black. Now, these are very small, like they won't say coin size. This is a euro, so this is a €1 coin. If you have a paper clip, this is the larger paper clip. That is what it looks like next to a paper clip and a euro. So they are very small. I mean, those are one of the tiniest ones that I've had. Okay. So we'll go ahead and I'm gonna put this off to the side here, and you've got several features packed into this thing. So we've got our USB-C here on the back, our main light here, our button for our different modes, and on the back we have a magnet, so you can mount this to something magnetic or something metal, and you can use this also as a work light. Okay. So let's go ahead and put this. I'm gonna show you, let's see. One click turns it on, double click turns the different mode. So right here we've got our 50 lumen light. Holding it will give us 100 lumens, and holding it again will give us our maximum output of 150 lumens. Now, using this outdoors, it's not going to be very impressive, and it's honestly a little underwhelming, but indoor use, it's amazing. And it's something that if you're having trouble seeing at night because you're trying to open up the door or unlock the door, if you lost something in a backpack or a purse, if you're for all my women out there, and if you have it on your keys, it's always there, so you don't ever have to look for it. I like to strap these onto my backpack with one of my little lanyard clips, and if you also want to wear it, again, the P5 accessory is an amazing thing. So let's go ahead and show the next feature here. And if we double tap, right, now we have the body lights. These are the side white lights. And if we hold it down, it makes the brightness stronger. So it goes to the next brightness. If we hold it down again, now we have the pulse mode. This is what Wuben really wanted to show off on this light, the pulse. Now, to be honest, I don't think I would use this if I'm quite honest here. I don't really see a reason to use it, but it's there, and I think it is cool to see visually, but practically, I just don't think it's useful. Let's see, let's go to the next one. Now we have the red hazard lights is what I want to call it. And then if you double tap again, oops, let's do that again. If we hold it, now we have the red and blue signaling lights, right? So I find that more useful, especially if you're walking at night. People are drawn to red and blue lights. It's just kind of typically what your eyes catch pretty quickly. Police cars, ambulances, that kind of thing. So when you see red and blue, your eyes are just naturally drawn to that. So let's go ahead and shut that off. Now, again, these are very small. They're not meant to replace your full-size EDC, but if you have them on your keys, if you have them on your backpack, if you want to wear it around your neck, it's something that you're always going to have, and you don't have to worry about it. They're not going to become any kind of bother, any kind of nuisance or anything like that. And for them being so small, I would be very careful not to lose them. I think that it's a great little flashlight. Again, these aren't made to replace your full-size, EDC flashlight. This one here is up to 1200 lumens on a turbo mode. And I think Wuben flashlights are fantastic. And there is one more thing that I do want to show. And let me brighten this up really quick if you guys want to close your eyes. I don't know if this will actually do it or not, but these also have a glow. So when the lights are on and you turn them off, it does illuminate that green glow in the dark side. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it here on camera. I'm blind, so because I was staring at the light like a idiot. But when you use these at night, and the light will illuminate and will charge up the sides where the white work lights were, and they'll illuminate green, kind of like glow in the dark. So these will be launching on August 27th. Okay, the price for these will be $12.99, and the P5 accessory will be $9.99, and that'll be separate on Amazon. I highly recommend you get them from the manufacturer themselves, Wuben. Their website has it bundled, offers it bundled for $19.99, so you can save a couple of dollars, doing that. But this is the P5 accessory here. It's just a clip here that goes to the back of the flashlight, and it clips like that, right? And it's very strong, it's not gonna go anywhere. And there are buttons for quick release. I mean, it's pretty simple. And I think that the beaded chain definitely is something that if you like wearing necklaces and you think that having this on you all the time would be essential, then the necklace would be the way to go. Now for me, I definitely use like a lanyard kind of style keychain type thing here so that I can just clip it to my bag. And it comes with, again, the key ring here. So you just clip it to, and a picture of what it looks like, a little short clip of it on the keys. But yeah, it's definitely something I would keep on my backpack. And I would use this like this. And this is essentially the setup that I would be going with. All right, so cool. Again, I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to check this out. They are affiliate links, so it definitely helps out the channel, but no extra cost to you, and that would definitely be greatly appreciated. Highly recommend these two if you're looking for something small with a decent amount of runtime and power. So they are going to be going on sale right now. Pre-orders are on the 24th, I believe, and the official launch is the 27th. So I'll leave the link again in the description below if you guys want to check these out. And yeah, that's going to be it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What do you guys think about the E2? Would it be something that you guys actually would carry on your backpack or on the P5 necklace? Let me know in the comment section. I'm interested to see. Alrighty guys, as always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.